brew day. 55 litres liquor in there. I'll turn it on and I'll tell you what's in there. Just simple water treatment. So power on there. Power button. 100. So I think I only need 50 litres, but 55 anyway. Put that there. It's about 17, is it? Something like that. It's going to take a while. So in there we've got a crushed Camden tablet, 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts and 2 teaspoons of gypsum. That's my normal water treatment for most brews these days. So let's go and get a coffee and see what we're going to brew. This is the one today, Boddingtons Bitter. Remarkably light golden beer, a fine quenching session beer, flinty dryness in the mouth and a long hard finish with hot bitterness and tart fruit. It's pale malt, crystal malt, table sugar, and that's it. So I'm just weighing grains out today. This is Whitbread golden cups. So I've got some goldings, not sure the Whitbread, but they're going anyway. I've scaled it up. So there's my version. Coffee bag, get that inside me soon. So it says liquor here. Converted from the book, it says 55 litres, but the Grainfather app says 50, so I'll probably use 50. So it's just heating up now. 5.6 kg of pale malt, 352 grams of crystal, 170 grams, 76 of table sugar. So 30-minute boil. So I reduce the boil time and the water, and increase the hops to get the bitterness. So let's get this inside and look. It's a bit of a grey morning, but we'll do power walk soon, and then we'll get ready for that. The water came to about 68 degrees. It'll drop a bit anyway, so let's have a circulate it and get the grain in. It's going to be good to go. I think it's a mash at 66, so just reassuring that on a bit. We haven't done all grain for a bit. They smell amazing. So it's a nice simple grain bill, should be no trouble today. Famous last words. Not any rice hulls in because there's no wheat in it. It should be quite a thin mash anyway, so that shouldn't be a problem. If they're using load of wheat or other stuff like that, I may put a little bit in, but for this I don't need it. Do 60-minute mash this. Sometimes cut it to 45 minutes and save a bit of time, and then use a 15-minute mash out. Slow and steady wins the race, as they say. I think I'll probably keg half of this and bottle the rest. It's just good, should be a good session beer. I think the app says 3.4 and the book says 3.6. Or the other way around. So get a 3.5%, I'll be happy. 40 litres will do me. And it don't take much longer to do a 40 litre batch. So no chill again. So straight into fermenter when I've sanitised it. Happy days, as they say. Make sure the grain's wet and no dull balls, can't see any up to now. I was even brewing today, I go shopping with the girls, so we'll brew. So it'll be, let's say, it'll be no chill this. So what I'll do, I'll put it in fermenter and I'll leave a pitch. It won't be today because it's 40 litres, take a long time to cool down. So it's going to be tomorrow, which will be Sunday morning, maybe even Sunday evening or even Monday morning. So if I went about 20, then should be alright. Might put a blow off tube on this because I'm going away for a couple of days, so don't any accidents. Using the across my loaf ale yeast again, so really good value that. Sure. Try to speed some of this bit up to bore you to death too much. Might actually split this video up to 2 parts. Do this and the transfer, and then do the fermentation and taste test another time. Otherwise it could be a long video. This Boddingtons Bitter, I think it was taken over by Whitbread years ago. Well, Boddingtons Brewery, Strange Ways Brewery in Manchester. Must be near the prison actually. And when breweries get taken over, it never improves the beer, does it? It gets worse. Make more and more profit. So that's why this is what my dad used to drink. So he'd be a bit proud of me on this one. That's it. It's not bad, about 67 by the time I recirculate it and it chills a bit. I'm going to be fermenting, mashing. 66 it is. Yeah, it's fermenting it. Could use that. Think about that. Could use the yeast cleans of it. Might make it a bit of a different taste, so I'll just stick to the ale yeast. 18 to 20 does. In there, that's the Muntons Irish, premium Irish stout. Dry hopped it yesterday with 50 grams of Golders Wings. So I think that's pretty much done. It was a really big grain bill. I'd have to reduce the volume for the mash because otherwise it would come over the top, which I've done before. It was alright, but I'll just sparge a bit more, but this way it's going to be fine. Right, so we'll circulate. Make sure when you put your pump on, you're pointing the right way. Some people dial it down, I just leave it at that. So we'll go to 66, didn't we? So heat. That'll soon come down that. It's at 68 at the moment, it's fine. 66. When I get to 66 there, I'll give it an hour timer. Give you a closer look. There we go. 67.5 already, so it's going to come down, so will do. We'll give it an hour's timer, shall we? Alexa, 1 hour timer, please.
Good morning, David. 1 hour, starting now.
It's a wrap.